So I just come to this cooker and the top grill, or the top hobs are not working. They said they took it out and this is all pulled, so I'm not sure what's happened, whether two wires are touched inside or something fell off or tripped. But they did say it was tripping the switch a bit to begin with, and then they pushed it back in and it stopped. So it says to me there's either touching wires or wires come off or something. So I'm going to strip this back end out and have a look, do some tests. Well, that was easy. As soon as I took the back off, there's a live wire, well, a brown wire, I presume it's live. So now I've just got to find out where it came from. Looks like down here because I can see a bended pin on the live rail. So that was an easy fix. Sorry, I thought it was going to be a good video, but it ain't. So yeah, that fixed it. Sometimes the job's easy, sometimes it ain't.